how long do people have to wait? Like, let's say mom died April 1st. Do they file? What's the process, right? Do they file immediately with the court? Do they have to wait a certain amount of time in order to begin the process?
Yeah, so right now, the statute says that at least 40 days must pass. Okay, so a minimum of 40 days, that's what the statute says, after the date of death of the person, of course, who passed away. And then there's a petition process. So petition means you're basically seeking the court's approval. And so this is where it gets tricky, because we don't want to oversimplify and say, oh, you just have to petition the court. Well, it's still a formal proceeding. So where proper notice must be given to all of the heirs. So not to kind of give any legal advice to anyone, but there's several steps that must be followed, including giving notice. How many of us know how to give proper notice? Right? Maybe there is an appraisal process. Well, how do we even determine that your house is worth $750,000? We don't recommend going on to one of these housing websites just to see what a guesstimation may be, because now you may be subject to other issues if the house doesn't meet that minimum threshold, if you will. So that's the process. We strongly recommend still seeking legal advice on this.